Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hey everybody.
Hey guys, so today we're out in our front garden again. You can see behind us yesterday was part one. We dug up and transplanted those old azaleas there. Now we're back out in our front yard.
I know, we're so excited for today, you guys. This is planting day. So we are gonna redesign this front garden bed we have what, 13 new plants?
Yep.
Most of them all from proven winners, and they're just gorgeous. We can't wait to show you what we have.
Yep, so we're gonna show you the layout and what we have, what's gonna be coming up here, and you'll get to see us transplant these plants.
Hey you guys, so before we get into this though, we wanna tease something coming up in August that we're really excited about. I think we're unofficially calling it the August Audience Challenge.
Yeah guys, we're excited to offer to you guys to be able to pick our topics for our Saturday Lives all through August. And we're gonna make a contest out of it.
Prizes, you know we love giving things away.
Yeah guys, so how it's gonna work is we want your ideas for the topics for August, our Saturday Lives in August. All you gotta do is just comment down below and let us know what you wanna learn about, what you wanna talk about on the Saturday Lives for garden topics, because we wanna teach what you guys wanna hear about.
I know, we've had a couple people give us some ideas. We've been teasing this on our Saturday Lives already with the audience that is there. And we want to officially open this up now. We're going to end it in about a month, and we'll let you know the specifics once we get that all figured out. But it's open now, August Audience Challenge. If we pick your topic, it'll be worth a prize.
Yep, you get a prize when we pick your topic. So let us know down below. We want to know what you think and what you want to hear about. Yeah, so with all that, let's see what we're planting today.
Yeah, let's show them.
So guys, here we are now, part one video. Again, this is where those azaleas were planted, and they were planted in a row like this, and they went all the way back. So they're gone, they're behind us over here now.
Yay.
We've got our new plants laid out on center by how the spacing, what the spacing calls for on the back of each one of these tags, because we want to make sure that we follow the tags on that spacing. And so, yeah, here we are.
So excited. Some of my most favorite plants are in this mix too. Should we start from the back and go forward?
Sure, yeah. So in the back, and how we've got this set up before we tell you the plants, we've got it set up for the highest plants, the tallest plants in the back, and it's gonna taper down to the shortest ones in the front. So what we have in the back here is we've got the perennial salvia, color spires back to the fuchsia.
Oh.
Yeah, these are gonna get about 2 feet tall total, and yeah, we can't wait to have these planted in here and just see all that bright fuchsia color. So we've got 2 of those planted here on center from each other, 2 feet. So on center a foot this way and on center a foot this way, 2 feet total between them, because they're gonna get 2 feet wide. So after that, we've got some coneflowers here. These are pretty, yeah. So these are, again, perennial. All these are perennial for our zone 8B. So just putting that out there.
And they're all summer bloomers. Summer into maybe fall.
Yep, especially the coneflowers. And probably the salvia
Probably
too.
the lavender too, which we'll show you in a
Oh, and the
minute.
lavender's on the side, yeah. So we've got these coneflowers here. These are color coded. The price is white.
Price is white.
Coneflowers, echinacea. So
Yay.
yeah, so we've got these guys. These are 18 inches on center, spaced out between each other and the plants around them. And so yeah, these are beautiful. They get a nice white color. They're beautiful. They're gonna get.
Actually, we've got one in bloom over here. We can show them.
They're gonna get about 20 or so inches tall.
See that?
So yeah, beautiful.
Now, before we go forward, you might be wondering, like, wait, why is that one in its own container? And we needed to get it transferred out of the container it came in to kind of rehab it and get it looking better before we planted it or transplanted it again.
Yeah, we wanted to get healthier. You can see it's got a little. It's not as healthy as it could be. When it was transplanted, it just had some issues with some handling and some moisture, so it's looking okay. It's getting better. So the transplanting is going to shock it today a little bit more, but we'll also come through and cut out these dead and dying pieces, and that'll keep it healthy, get it back to better health. So next up is we have 2 different lavenders here. We've got our Egyptian fernleaf lavender over here, and that's beautiful. We can't wait to get that in the ground.
Wait.
And then over here we've got, it's a platinum blonde English lavender, and it's beautiful.
That's the bigger one too, isn't it? This will get really large.
Yep, this one's gonna get about 2 to 4 feet wide, and it's gonna get only about 8 to 12, Yep, it's gonna get about 2 to 4 feet wide, but then it's also only gonna get to about 8 to 12 inches tall. So it doesn't get much taller than it really is right now. It might get a little bit taller, but not much. So, but it's really gonna spread out. So it's good that it's on this side. not in back of these taller plants. So it'll just taper out that way. So that'll be good.
You know what, we talked about this already. We're gonna probably move these irises right here.
Oh yeah.
Because we're kind of close and they're kind of random right there anyway. So I think that'll be part of our plan.
Yep,
right?
we'll move these a little bit over that way to make room for this platinum blonde lavender.
Oh, I just love that lavender. And some of you already know this Egyptian lavender we're so excited about. We've been looking for that for a while. So it's gonna be great.
Yep, gorgeous plants. So next up, tapering down from highest to lowest, in front of these coneflowers, genus Nepeta, which is always fun to say. It's a perennial. It's the cat's pajamas variety. And so this plant is gonna get only about 14 inches tall, but it's spacing about 18 inches on center. So we've got that here. A lot of these in this area, about 18 inches on center. So we're looking pretty good in spacing this way. So, yep, again, we're coming down this way. And last but not least, in the front are dianthus. So, and these are beautiful.
Oh, these are gonna be beautiful.
These only get to about 8 to 6 inches tall, and they're gonna be pretty much about 12 inches or so wide. So on center, 6 inches this way, 6 inches that way. Got those spaced out. This is Paint the Town Magenta. So total, guys, we've got the 13 plants. We've got 4 dianthus, 2 catmint, we've got 2 different lavenders, we've got 3 coneflowers, and then 2 salvias in the back.
I love this. I can't wait. It's gonna go hot pink, bright purple, white, and then kind of a fuchsia purple-ish color, and then purple on each side.
Yep, and then purple, kind of a fuchsia in the back there.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait to get started on this. What's our first step?
First step is to actually just start digging the holes and get these holes ready. We've got some compost we're gonna add to the area and mix in with the soil that's coming out, and then we'll backfill with a mix of that compost and the soil. And then if there's any leftover compost, we'll just spread that evenly in the area, and then we can water them in. We've got some mulch coming later, and we'll put that over the top of all this to really finish it off and give it that finished look.
Awesome. Ready to do this?
Let's go.
Okay, you guys, we got them all planted. We're really happy with the way it looks and how it turned out.
Yay!
Yay! I know one thing we forgot to tell you guys is how, if you notice, you may be wondering why we planted them so high. Normally you wouldn't do that. Like, see how it's so high above the ground here?
Yep, a little high, but good reason.
Yeah, because we're gonna be adding mulch in the next few days. So we've got about 2 inches or more, maybe 3 inches of mulch that we're gonna add in this entire bed. So that'll be a nice dressing to the top of this. It's really gonna like make this whole area just pop.
It's gonna really finish it off.
So stay tuned for updates of our plants. We'll be featuring these throughout the summer, maybe into fall, and let you know how they're doing and what they look like.
Yeah, guys, we are so excited and so happy with what we accomplished today. Definitely leave any comments and questions down below for us about what we did today and how we did it. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for being here and for watching today, and we'll see you next time.
Yep, see you next time, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.